Hi, this is Victor. Welcome to channel Vic 5 in Season 3. So today I'm going to upgrade the RAM on my brother's computer. There it is. There's this computer right there. And this is the RAM that we're going to upgrade. It's an 8GB kit. So the cool thing is once we upgrade his RAM, it's going to go from 8GB to 16GB. Now the thing with RAM is that in order to have more RAM than 4GB, you need a 64-bit operating system. 32-bit operating system only recognizes less than 4GB of RAM, even if you put more in. So it's kind of useless. Anyway, so the first thing I'm going to do is shut down the computer. So we're just going to do that right now. Shut it down. There we go. Shutting down. And once it's shut down, then we're going to unplug everything. So, okay, so, alright, so I think it's off now. Alright, so we're going to unplug everything here because I have to pull everything out. So, let's see, I'm going to plug, maybe I don't have to, yes I do. Alright, so start with that. Oops, there we go. Start with that, this, and power. Okay. So everything is unplugged. There it is. And now we just have to pull it out. So I will be back. Okay. Okay, I'm back. So here's my brother's computer. There it is, out of his room. Okay, I'm just going to pass the camera to my brother. So he's going to do the filming. And we're going to start with just opening up the case. And there is the computer. Okay, so turn the light on so we can see a bit better, and we're just going to turn it there. Okay, so the chips are going to go in here. As you can see, we've already got two chips in here, our RAM chips. Now the RAM, of course, is these ones here. RAM chips are fairly easy to put in. I'm going to set that down here. Basically, it's just a matter of kind of like putting them in. And oops, hold on. Okay, I just had to move this further back so I can just put this one in. And there it is, that's in. There. Okay, now I'm going to just push this one back over here. See over here, there's this little, there it is back. And take this next one. And place it in as well. Now RAM chips have a serial number or a model number, which is right here. I'm not sure if you can see it. Right there, the one that says HX426C15BK2/8. It's on the right where the CE is up there. Okay, so anyway, let's put this chip in, or I'm just going to do it the same way as before as the other one. There, and it's in. There we go. And that is all there is to it. Okay, so close up the computer. So we're just going to close it up. Oh. Oops. Screws back on. Okay, so we're just going to put the computer back in my brother's room, reconnect all the cables, and then turn it back on. Okay, we'll be right back. I am back. My brother's PC has been started. See, there it is. So now we're going to view the RAM just to confirm. So over here, we're going to type in RAM. And then it'll pop up over here, view RAM. So we're going to go right there and click on that. And as you can see, over here, installed RAM. 16 gigabytes, 15.9 gigabytes usable. So the, and of course you can see there is the 64-bit operating system. Okay, so the RAM has been successfully installed. Rudy's, my brother's computer is at 16 gigabytes, so that's great. Stay tuned when I continue with the build of my computer, which will match my brother's. And I will be back. Now, installing the RAM was actually fairly easy. It's actually harder to pick the RAM because my brother's computer is about just over a year old. In order to upgrade a motherboard RAM, you have to go to the vendor's website, in this case ASUS, and find the qualified vendors list for this particular motherboard, and then you've got to check their list against the RAM so that you know, so you can buy the proper RAM so that it'll work. I mean, very likely if you buy RAM that's very similar, as long as its certain specs are very similar, like the latency, it should work. But if you want the best performance, then you should go with what's on the qualified vendors list. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a great day and see you in my next episode. All right, bye-bye.